Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I'm going to show you a 2.0 version of the classic trick process of elimination. Now there's a couple different ways to do this trick. I'm going to show you a 2.0 version that I like because you're just not looking at cards face up. There's a little bit of card control involved, but not too much, and there's different ways on how to do this trick, and I'll get to it more in the tutorial part of this video. So you have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select any card that they like, and it is a true and free selection. They can look at it, remember it. They don't show you, okay? They can even sign their card if they want. So have the spectator place their card back into the deck. Let's say they stopped you right there. That's their card. Now, I didn't see that. Now, normally what a magician would do is look at this card, place these cards on top, remember this card, and know that their card would be right next to this card. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take their card and lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck of cards and even give the cards a nice shuffle, okay? Completely mixing up the order of the cards so there shouldn't be any possible way that I would know where their card is. I can even cut the cards a couple times if I wanted to. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to use the help of the cards by using the process of elimination. Now, I don't know where their card is in the deck or what card that they picked, but I'm going to think that it's probably one of these 5 cards. So if I just out-jog 5 cards from the deck, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5. I'm hoping that the cards will let me know that it would be one of these 5 cards, okay? So I can show you that there's 5 cards, and if I take these cards and push them through once, on the other side, I should have now 4 cards. So it went from 5 to 4. This should be 3 if I push them through one more time, okay? 3 cards to 2 cards, okay? And now finally, one more push. There's 1 card comes out of the deck. What was the card you picked? Was it the Queen of Hearts? And that's Process of Elimination 2.0. Now, before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. It really helps my channel out. And I'd also like to give a shout out to all my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're looking to support this channel through a channel membership, you can do that all through YouTube. And the information is all below in YouTube, okay? Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. Okay, Process of Elimination 2.0, now for the tutorial. In the beginning, when I taught the first process of elimination with a twist, you used a key card, which you used for this one too. It's just a little special key card. I'm using the Ace of Spades, and now on this Ace of Spades, I've actually taken a red Sharpie marker, and I've put a dot right in each corner above the little bicycle angel here, so I can tell that this is my key card without looking at my key card, okay? Normally when you would find a key card, you would know by the face of the key card what your key card is, but now I've marked it here with the red Sharpie marker with 2 dots, and now I place that on the bottom of the deck, and that's my key card, and that's the only setup that you need for this trick. Keep your key card on the bottom of the deck, and you can do that while you shuffle just by shuffling that key card first, okay? Shuffle these together so it maintains it on the bottom, and since it's just a normal card, you know, you can show the face of the cards. It's a regular deck of cards besides that key card. Now, you want to control their selected card to the top of the deck while maintaining your key card on the bottom. Now, this is an optional part of this trick. You don't have to do this part because you can actually just have them select a card, whatever card that they want, and if they pick the key card, that's great. You know they picked the key card, you know what it is, which is the bottom card. But they pick a card, you want to get it to the top of the deck with this one on maintaining on the bottom. The normal way and the easy way of doing it is just placing this card on top and then giving the cards a cut, and then now you're set with the key card and their card next to it. But if you want to do a little sleight of hand, which you have their selected card, to control the card to the top and maintaining this card, you can dribble down a few cards, say about half the deck, have them place their card on top of that stack. Now with your hands, you're just sliding a top card off of the top of the deck as you show and explain. You know, a magician would use this as a key card, which is just kind of card control. Another way of how to control a card to the top. You say, and one move, you're sliding one card off the top. It looks like this, okay? But when you do it fast, you can hardly see it unless you know what you're looking for. Explain that a magician would normally use this as a key card to, you know, maintain control of their selected card. Point to this card again. This is just a random card. You have no idea what this is. Now, because it was off the top of the deck. Now place this card in the middle of this pile and then place these all in the middle. And now what you've done, because you put one card on top of their selected card, you've maintained the bottom key card and you have their selected card on top. Now, to get their card next to the key card in the middle of the deck, all you do is just do a simple cut and you're all set. You can simple cut as many times as you want. It doesn't hurt the order as long as you just simple cut, just taking cards off the top and putting them on the bottom, okay? Now you want their card somewhere in the middle of the deck, so that's why I just do one card. And then you say, you know, I'm not gonna look at the cards, I'm gonna use the process of elimination. Hopefully the deck can show me what card that they've picked. And as you fan through the cards, you're looking for the one card that has that red dot on it. This is the Ace of Spades. And then go 5 cards to the left of it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this 5th card. Now you up jog that card and then place a card just flush with the other cards. Now, and then up jog the 3rd card and then make it the next card flush with the rest of the cards. Up jog this 3rd card, which is their selected card, okay? Then this card is your key card. Make it flush with the other cards and then do that a 4th one up jogged and then flush with the other cards, and then a 5th card up jog, and then all the rest of the cards flush with the rest of the deck. So you have something look like this, where you have 5 cards out jogged about halfway, mixed in between another card that's flush with the regular cards. Now, if you do this is just process of elimination, classic trick, where if you just push these cards through, you'll get 4 cards coming out the other side, okay? This is the self-working part. Push these through one more time, then you just get 3 cards. Push these through again, you have 2, and then finally when you push this one, this is that middle up-jogged card, okay? It's the 3rd up-jogged card, which is the 5th card? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's the 5th one the 3rd out-jog, but the 5th card total, okay? This will be their selected card that's next to that key card. And then you can show that it's just a regular deck of cards, okay? So that's Process of Elimination 2.0. I like it because it uses just a marked key card. You don't have to look at the faces of the cards. Just by using the key card, you're using, you know, a key card marked on the back, and you can use any card you want. I just happen to use the Ace of Spades for this trick, okay? Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy it, and until next time.